Did you know in How to Train Your Dragon, the film was originally intended to end with Hiccup largely unscathed after the climactic battle. However, the directors decided that it would not feel believable that the heroes could defeat such a formidable foe like the Red Death Dragon without great cost. With that in mind, they decided to have the boy lose part of his left leg at the end of the battle in a deliberate parallel to how Toothless the Dragon lost his left tail fin. Furthermore, the scene originally had Hiccup alone as to come to grips with his wound. However, when Steven Spielberg saw the original footage, he felt that Hiccup and Toothless's interaction in the film's final act had been reduced to something like a mere cowboy and his horse. So he suggested that Toothless be with the boy in that particular scene to reinforce the idea that their companionship was far deeper than that.